Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So those who are new, welcome. This is Soumya and today's video is going to be about my top 5 lipsticks under budget. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Check out my Instagram as well. I'll mention all the links and everything in the description box, so please do not forget to check that out. So let's quickly begin with our videos. So the first lipstick is going to be this one, which is from Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Berry Recognize. The shade is so beautiful for all the Indian skin tone. So ये शेड मेरे घर पे मेरी मॉम के पास है, मेरी बहन के पास है, and everyone just loves it. So I would recommend you to definitely try this one because it suits all the skin tones. Yes. So I'm going to first remove whatever I have applied on my lips and then I'll show you how it looks. Basically, I use this coconut oil for removing my makeup and nothing else, and this works fine for me actually. Okay, now I'm going to apply this lipstick, and I just want to suggest that please apply a lip balm before applying any lipstick. And yes. So this is how it looks. Just look at it. Guys, I'm not even kidding. I love this shade so much. Actually, it is perfect pink for my liking, as per my liking, because I do not like very pink kind of color. So this is a perfect pink for me, and it will go with all your ethnic wear, all your western wear. So a big thumbs up for this one. And also, let me show you. It is kiss proof and it doesn't transfer. It turns matte quickly within 10 seconds and you do not need to worry about it. And it stays on your lips for 5 to 6 hours. After that, you can definitely reapply it and rock. So the second lipstick is going to be this one. This is Maybelline ka the color Sensational in the shade Walnut MNU 13. This particular shade actually मैंने अपनी बहन का ढापा था. Priya, if you are watching this, thank you. And I just love the shade. Let me just show you. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Perfect brown. I just love browns and nudes. It just complements my skin tone, and I am very comfortable in wearing those kind of colors. So yeah, if you also like browns and nudes, and let me just tell you that this is not transfer proof lipstick. This is not a matte lipstick, so it might transfer a little bit, but you can manage it, right? And let me show you how it looks on me, and so you can accordingly decide for yourself. Okay, so this is how it looks on me. Actually, it is a perfect brown. So what I do is, I have any shade which is little light and which doesn't suit my skin tone, what I do is I just dab a little bit on top of the light lipstick and it just makes a perfect shade. So अगर आपको भी ऐसे कोई शेड्स पसंद हो लगाना तो you can definitely give this a try. And this costed around 300. I mean, not even 300, 250 to 300 maybe. I'll mention everything in the description box. Also, ये मेरी बहन ने शॉप से जाके लिया था, तो I'm not very sure whether I'll find this in the website or not, but I'll definitely try to provide the links in the description box. But yeah, if you're interested, you can definitely give this a try. Okay guys, so the next lipstick is going to be this Wet n Wild ka Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. Actually, I have raved a lot about this particular lip shade in my last video, which is a Nykaa haul. If you haven't watched it yet, you can definitely go and watch it. So this perfectly suits my skin tone, and for a daily basis, for everyday look, I use only this lipstick for my makeup, and it is not too much, not too less. It is just perfect. So that is why I love this lipstick a lot. It retails for around $499, which is 500. So during the sale you can definitely get it at a cheaper price. Actually, I got it for $299 during the sale, so you can also get it at $299 itself. And also the first lipstick which I showed you belong to the same range, only the color is different and both the colors are to die for. I absolutely love these two colors, especially from this particular range. So yes, if you are interested, you can definitely give this a try. And let me show you how it looks on me. So this is how it looks on me and I just love it. So if you are someone who loves this kind of color, then you should definitely give this a try. And इसका मैंने एक bottle already finish कर लिया है. So after that again I bought this one. So yes, a big thumbs up from my side. It also turns matte after 10 seconds and it will not transfer. And yeah, let me show you. See. It has transferred a little bit because it has not dried yet, but once it dries, it will not transfer and it will stay on your lips for 5 to 6 hours. So yes, big thumbs up from my side. You should definitely check this out. The next lipstick is going to be my multi-purpose liquid, my multi-purpose lipstick. Actually, this is the Lakme 925 Lip and Cheek Color Matte Mousse, Wet Lace Matte Mousse, and this is in the shade Plum Feather. I love this shade because of the reason, because I apply this as my blush because I do not own any blush. So this is the one lipstick which I apply on my cheeks and it gives a very very nice pink effect to my cheeks, and it doesn't look very artificial. It gives a very natural blush to my cheeks. So that is the reason I have included this in my top 5 lipstick, because it acts as a lipstick and as a blush. Okay, I'll show you how I apply it as a blush and as a lipstick both. So this is how it looks on my lips, and after that what I do is I take a little bit at the back of my hand, and what I do is I just dab my fingers and I just apply it on my cheeks. So can you see the shine and the blush and the pink effect on my cheeks? So I just love it. I just love it. And also this lipstick is very comfortable on your lips, and it also dries after a few seconds. So yes, it transfers a very tiny amount. That also I think that because it has not dried properly. So once it dries, it will not transfer, and you can definitely give this a try. Okay, so the next lipstick and final lipstick is going to be this Maybelline ka New York ka Nude Nuance 657. This is a perfect nude, you girls. This is something which, if you do not like applying anything and if you want to look natural, so this is the color you should opt for. It is creamy in texture and it will feel very comfortable on your lips. So this is how it looks on my skin tone. So I would not suggest this for a deeper skin tone, girls, because you can check out other shades whatever I have shown before, but this particular shade, because I think it doesn't look very good on my skin tone as well. So I would not suggest this for a deeper skin tone, and this is something which I can apply like whenever I'm not putting any makeup, dark makeup, or if my makeup is too loud, I just want to mute down my lipstick. So I apply this one, and also I apply this on top of my dark lip shades because I personally do not like dark lipsticks. So that is why I apply this on top of it, and it is not kiss proof. It transfers. So yes, it transfers, so you have to reapply it every time. And this also cost around $299 or $250, not more than that, I think. So if you are interested, if you like this kind of shade, you can definitely go for it. But if you love nudes just like me, so that is the reason why I bought this. And also sometimes I apply it on my cheeks. So if you are interested, you can definitely give this a try, and it will not burn your pocket. So that was the reason why I included this particular lip shade in this range. So I think that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it. If you liked it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And you can also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload a video. And also you can follow me on Instagram. I'll provide all the links and everything in the description box. Do not forget to check that out. I'm planning to do a part 2 of this video, which will include more budget friendly lipsticks. So if you're interested, then please comment in the comment section. And also one Ajio haul is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.